Hi, welcome to my video on changing a mixed radical to an entire radical. Before radicals are simplified, they are called entire radicals, having the form of root x. So root 8, the root of 18, the root of 75 are some examples. When entire radicals are simplified, they are called mixed radicals, which have the form of a root b. So notice 8 is 4 times 2, so it's 2 root 2. 18 is 9 times 2, which is 3 root 2. 75 is 25 times 3, which is 5 root 3. So these are entire radicals with the radicand underneath the root, and when you have a rational number outside times the radical, then it's a mix between an irrational number, which is root 2, and a rational number, which is 2. So let's reverse it. Now let's go back the other way. Change mixed radicals to entire radicals. Now let me do some examples. 2 root 3 is the same as 2 times root 3. And 2 is the same as the root of 4. And root 4 times root 3 can go inside as 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 is the root of 12. So we're just reversing the process. Because if you look at it, if we have root 12 is 4 times 3. The square root of 4 is 2, so it's 2 root 3. So we're just reversing how to go from one way, reverse it to the other. So 3 root 5 is 3 times root 5. And 3 is the square root of 9 times root 5. And that's the square root of 9 times 5. And that's root 45. 4 square root 2 is 4 times the square root of 2, which is root 16 times 2. Square root of 16 is 4. And that's 16 times 2 on the inside. And that gives us a 32. So, reversing the process, working backwards, express each mixed radical as an entire radical. You work the 4 of these out to see if you come up with the right answers. Here we go. 5 times root 2 is the same as the root of 25 times root 2, which is the root of 25 times 2 underneath the radical. And we have root 50. 2 root 7 is 2 times root 7. 2 is the square root of 4 times root 7. And that's the square root of 4 times 7 underneath. And that's the root of 28. 3 root 11 is 3 times root 11. 3 is the square root of 9 times root 11. And that's 9 times 11 underneath. And that gives us a 99. Notice we're reversing it. 4 root 3 is the same as 4 times root 3. Square root of 16 is the same as a 4. And root 16 times root 3 is the root of 16. I better write it down first. 16 times 3 underneath the radical, which is, I was going to write down the root of 48 here. But root 16 times root 3 is the same as the root of 16 times 3, which is the root of 48. So just had to do entire radical to mixed radical. Sometimes teachers ask you to change back and forth. So hopefully you'll know what I'm talking about when the teacher asks you. And if you like my video, click on the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell, because there are more videos coming your way. Write a comment on my video if you wish, if you're a subscriber. And visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. The section on me has my degrees in teaching experience. The section on video talks about the strategies you're going to use to help you learn your math. The content section has the topics and the number of videos on those topics. That's on my YouTube channel, Math Fully Explained. And the black font is what's online right now, and the red font is what will be online in the near future. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.